Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to make double bacon cheeseburgers. I'm going to be using my CalmDo Smokeless grill. You'll find all the ingredients in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of my uploads. So I have taken 2¼ pounds of ground chuck, and I just formed them into 1/4-inch patties, 6-inch 1/4-inch patties. And I got like 10 patties out of that total. So I'm going to season both sides with my spices. It's going to be salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Of course, you can use whatever kind of spice you desire. So I'm going to go ahead and season up my patties, and we'll be back. So this is the CalmDo grill. I have it preheated at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I just placed my burgers on. So this grill is amazing. It has a fan here that you turn off and on, and it's on, and the fan will suck all the smoke, keep the smoke, your environment from getting smoky. So all the fat drips down through the grill plate here into a little into a little fat catcher that's attached to the machine. So we're gonna cook the burgers on both sides for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna cook it 5 minutes one side and flip it, and then determine how much longer we need to cook it for. So this has been going for a couple minutes, and I just want to show you there's no smoke. The fan is sucking in all the smoke. So this is perfect. I love it. So our burgers have been going for about 4.5 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and give these a flip. And then I'm going to let these cook for maybe like another 3 to 4 minutes. I just want to cook them so they're well done. So I had these going for like another 4.5 minutes, and they're done. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove these, and I'm going to cook my remaining burgers. So I made my burgers up. I just put mayonnaise on my bread, and I just did a burger on the bottom, a layer of cheese, another burger, another layer of cheese with my bacon, tomato, and lettuce. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste. To learn more about CalmDo, please check the description box. Wow, the flavor is really intense. I really like it a lot. It has a very similar flavor as if you cook like on a charbroiled grill. Really delicious. All the spices really soak through the burger. It's awesome that I made the burgers this way, because you don't have to mix all that seasoning to the hamburger. Just season the outside, and it will penetrate the meat, and you'll have juicier burgers every single time. I mean, it's absolutely delicious, guys. Please leave a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching and supporting. Please remember to live and be well, and let's come together and love each other.